Hello friends, this is Ishwar here. Yesterday I made a video on how to install MIUI 12 on your Poco F1. If you had one, you might have installed the MIUI 12 latest version and you might have tested the new features which were introduced by Xiaomi on the launch event. But if you don't have a Poco F1 or any Xiaomi device, and if you want to test that live wallpaper, the super wallpaper feature which was introduced by them, then you can follow this video and install the super wallpapers in order to check it out. So let me just start with the guide. So this is the website from which you need to download the super wallpapers zip file. I will leave the link in the description, so you can just open it up and just click on this button and then you can just download it. So after you have completed the download, just get into the file. So here's the file which I just downloaded. Just tap on it and select extract here, or it depends upon each and every file explorer. You can just extract the zip file and it will create a folder like over here. Just open it and then you can just install these APKs one by one. Now after you install all these 4 APKs, just come home and get into Play Store and install the app called Wallpapers, which is made by Google, as you can see. And after you install it, just tap on this open button and then you will get all the wallpapers over here. And just scroll down and you will see live wallpapers over here, and you will see all the newly installed wallpapers, the 3 earth wallpapers and the Mars wallpapers which we have installed right now. And you can set any one of them right now. Just tap on it and as you can see, the set wallpaper is over here. You can just tap on it and select home screen and lock screen, and that's pretty much it. We can come back home and the wallpaper is over here, and the lock screen wallpaper is also set, as you can see. And when I unlock the phone, it just zooms into the home screen wallpaper. So that's how it is. This is the new wallpaper from Xiaomi, the super wallpapers. Let me also set the another Mars wallpaper for you. Here's the Mars wallpaper and let me set it. Here's the Mars wallpaper on the lock screen, and when I unlock the phone, it gets into the home screen wallpaper. Like, it's a really cool animation, and when you scroll through the screen, it will also change the orientation. Let me show you. When I scroll like this, the orientation will be changed, and depending upon whether the phone is in dark mode or light mode, the wallpapers theme will be changed. So when you are in dark mode, the wallpaper will also change it into a dark fade, so that it will be easier for you to look into in your night times. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let you know how to install these super wallpapers on any of your phones. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to share, hit the share button. So thank you for watching. Have a really great day. Bye bye.